everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your host KZ, and last time I bought an SSD enclosure for my Mac Studio. Today I bought an SSD, M2 SSD. I'll be unboxing it and connecting it to that enclosure and connecting it to my Mac Studio. So stay tuned. Yeah. Okay, as I told you, I bought an SSD enclosure for my Mac Studio, and I then bought the SSD. That enclosure was mainly for SSD, so I can increase the storage for my Mac Studio. There are other ways of increasing storage for Mac Studio, but I wanted to do it the proper way. So here it is. This is the Samsung 990 Evo, which has speeds up to 5000. It's not the fastest one in the market, but still, and 2 terabytes. So PCIe M2 SSD. So let's unbox it. I don't know why I'm very careful with the boxes. Okay, I think I got something. Here it is, the Samsung solid state drive. So here it is. There is the solid state drive, 2 terabytes. What else does it come with? Is this a bag or something? Instructions how to use a storage device. Maybe it's a warranty statement. Do I open this? I don't think so. Okay, so now I will place this in my enclosure, SSD enclosure for my SSD. This is the Sachi SSD enclosure, stand and enclosure for the Mac Studio. If you want to purchase this, the link is in the description. Please check it out. I like this one. I got it from Amazon Canada. Okay, let's install the SSD into my enclosure. So as you can see, the port that it needs to go in, I just put it all the way down and then I slide it in. Okay, it is not. Okay, and then I push it down, and my SSD enclosure came with screws and the screwdriver as well. So this is the screw and the screwdriver. This tiny screwdriver came with it. This should have been magnetic, which is okay. That's fine. Okay, got it in. So it is nicely snug fit, and then I will put this on top. So I just good, and then so now this enclosure has the SSD. I will connect it to my Mac and see how fast I'm able to see the storage. The good thing is my mouse has started working. But okay. So when I just connected it, saying disk you attached was not readable by this computer. Eject it for now and try to reconnect it. I need to see some videos for this. I'll just quickly do that. So I think I figured out, I did some research, and I think I need to first set up the SSD. Again, as a first timer, I don't know, and you might not know as well, so let's get into it. I'll also start the screen recording so you can see what I am working. So okay, so I think it is being recording. So first we go into disk utility of your Mac. So once you go into this utility, you will be able to see the external drive. I think because since it's not set up properly, you can see the 2 terabyte is there, the storage is there, but apparently it's not uninitialized, which you need to initialize. So let's try this. So we first restore. I will give it a Mac external TheKZVerse, so we know TheKZVerse Mac external, and people are recommending that we should use the Apple format. APFS full form is Apple file system. Since I'll be using this SSD within my Mac Studio only, so I think this is the best option. That is inside the enclosure. I will not be taking it out, so it will stay inside. So Apple APFS, Apple file system, and then the GUID partition path, so that will help. I think yes, so everybody is recommending GUID partition map, so let's erase it. There it's formatting, and now it's mounting the disk, unmounting. Let's see, what else do we have here? Mounting disk, unmounting volume, creating APFS, operation successful. So we see we have the 2 TB storage APFS volume, and I'm still getting used to the new Apple mouse. Okay, so it is there. How do I check the info? Let's see. So it does have 2 TB and just a little bit KBs that is being used, and we are good. I just need to make sure this entire storage is shared with all my users here. So let's just create a new group, TheKZVerse group, and then I need to try and set up a new user. So I just close this guy, I go here and log out. Before I do that, I think I'll have to pause this video and end this. Thank you so much for watching. That really worked. I was able to upgrade my SSD storage in way less than if I would have gone for the Apple Mac storage upgrade for 2 terabytes. So this is really good. I will keep using it, and in the next video I will keep you posted how it's going. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.